Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Buffo from Special Agent Oso. So grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with Buffo's nose. So we're going to draw a big nose, flat at the bottom, round on the sides, flat at the top. And then inside this nose we're going to draw the nostrils. It looks almost like tear shapes. Now we can go to the eyes, and right next to the nose we're just going to make 2 lines for the bottom of the eyes. And as we always do, we're going to make it nice and round on top. Nice and round on top. Connect it back to the top of the nose. And then we're going to make the pupils. And from there, we're going to draw the irises. And then from the irises, we're going to draw the light reflections. 2 light reflections. Let's fill the pupils in. Right below the nose, we're going to draw Buffo's smile. And then right below that, you're going to draw a little chin. And now that we have the chin, we can draw the cheeks and the jawline and connect it back to the chin. And we're going to do the same. And I'm going to start here at the chin and make it nice and round. And I'm not going to touch the eyes. Now from the eyes, you're just going to bring 2 short lines up. And now that we have that, we're going to draw Buffo's hair. But the first thing I want to do, I'm going to draw the horns first. So I'll just draw 2 curves. That's going to be the bottom of the horns. I'm going to copy them. And now you're just going to draw a horn. And we'll do the same for this side as well. And now we can start with the hair. Now the first thing I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw here right next to the eye, bring it up, and I'm going to touch the horn. On this side, I'm going to start from the horn, make it nice and round, bring it back, and let it go up. Now we're going to draw the hair in front. It looks like dreadlocks. Now right below that, we're going to draw another part of the nose. We're just going to bring a line up, over, and connect it back. And now let's continue with the hair. On this side, from the horn, I'll bring a small piece of hair down. I'm going to touch the side of the face, and from the horn I'll do the same thing. And now that I have that, I can draw the ears. So I'm going to draw the outside of the ear first, nice and big, and then the inside. And I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to draw the inside of the ear as well. And now we can finish up with the hair on top. And I'll just draw these sort of dreadlocks everywhere. Make it nice and round, curves, and maybe this one will go down and touch the ear right there. On this side I'm going to do the same thing, another dreadlock coming down, and another one here, and maybe a smaller one there as well. And now we're going to draw the hair continuing. So what I'll do, I'll draw a piece of hair here, and I'm just going to make like a hook. I'm going to start there, and I'm going to do another one, a hook, and then I'll draw the last piece of hair right there. On this side, I'll just draw a complete piece of dreadlock, maybe just a hook and hair, and maybe, I'll draw another piece of hair here as well. Now let's start with the body. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle down. Now inside the triangle, we're going to draw a tie. So I'm going to draw a diamond shape, connected to the chin, and then you're just going to draw 2 lines out. And now on the side here, I'm going to draw a big circle because there's a badge on Buffo's jacket. And now that I have the badge, I'm going to go straight line, and then I'm going to bring it down because this is going to be a jacket. Now on this side, I'm going to draw a nice curve, and I'm going to complete it to that line, and I'm just going to draw another fold. Now we're going to draw from here, you're going to draw a collar going out, and maybe I'll let it touch the hair there. Now on this side we'll do the same thing, and I'm going to draw the collar out, let it touch, the same as this one, and right here we're going to draw another, and I'm going to draw this line a bit shorter, and there's the other part of the jacket, and we're going to draw a fold like we did this side. And on the sides I want you to draw 2 short lines because this is going to be the sleeves, and then from the sleeves you're going to draw a thumb, 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, connected back. This side, a a thumb, 1, 2, 3 fingers, go it back, take it back, and then we're going to draw the arm, nice curve and touch the hand, nice curve, touch the hand as well. We're going to draw 3 buttons on the shirt, 1, 2, 3, and then on the side I'm just going to draw a straight line down, maybe with a hook like this, and maybe another hook, and this is a pocket, and there we have a nice pocket. Let's do the same for this one as well. And there's a pocket as well. Now we can go right down to the legs. Now I'm just going to draw 2 lines out like this, and I'll do this as well because this is going to be the top leg. Now it's sort of fur going down, and I'll just draw the fur like this, like square lines. And now we're going to draw the hooves. Now what I do, I first draw the toe like a hoof. There's one, and then just another hoof toe behind that. I'm going to bring it up, and you're going to connect it. There's one hoof, and we'll do the same on this side. You're going to do the outside one first, and then behind that you're going to draw the other toe, bring it up and bring it down. And there's Buffo. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.